All right, here's a beauty. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. And this one is updated powertrain wise, safety, drivability wise. This is a beautiful car. You don't have to be afraid to take anywhere. All right, of course, the 57 Chevy Bel Air, probably one of the most iconic cars to come from General Motors ever. Everybody knows what a 57 Bel Air is. Now, as far as this car, underneath the hood, crate 350 engine, and that is teamed up with a automatic 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. So you got reliability under the hood, you got a tranny that's ready to go down the road, higher speeds, and it's made to drive at those speeds with the rest of the stuff that this has. Let me get through some of these things. So we have 373 gears in the rear, paired up with that 700 R4 tranny. This one's made to go down the road. Now, CPP power steering, front disc brakes, also power. And you can see we have slotted and drilled rotors up front here too, and riding on American Racing wheels, radial tires, just a great look. Now, if you want to look underneath the hood, check out the engine, and I'll get into more of this. We'll start it up. But if you want to check out the still pictures, take your time, look through this car. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, call us too. We'd be happy to discuss what we know about this car with you. 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome and bright work on this car. Beautiful. Paint is surf green, and that was the original color of this car when it would have rolled out of the assembly plant at General Motors with a green interior. So this car is still in the color it would have been back in 1957. Now, along with that 350 underneath the hood, we have a Edelbrock carbon intake, and you should see the intake. It's actually powder coated, matches the water pump. I mean, it is very nice and tidy underneath there, and we'll open it up and I'll show you here in a little bit. Also has MSD, HEI ignition, ceramic coated headers. I mean, you could not build this car for what it is being sold for. Now, of course, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract also. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, the classic styling in the 57 rear end. And you can see how nice this paint is. In real life, it's probably just a little more green than it shows up in the video and the pictures here. Sometimes the lighting is a little bit different in the videos, but yeah, maybe a tad more green, but absolutely beautiful car. As far as the interior, we have an I Did It tilt column with a billet steering wheel. Top is power, does work, and you can see how the interior has been kept looking stock too, but when you get in and turn the key, you get all the reliability out of that crate 350, and again, that overdrive transmission, little Kenwood aftermarket stereo in there. Other than that, looking pretty stock in the interior of this. All right, let's fire this up. I want you to hear this. And of course, the wipers work, radio works, got a little aftermarket cluster gauges. Gas gauge works. See that popped right up. So the odometer reads 7,709 miles. That's how many miles were put on this since it was built. And just look at the little details they went to. There you are, low 2 drive and overdrive. Obviously matching up with that 700 R4. Little gauge cluster. You can control the converter lockup. There's the Kenwood stereo. Great sounding, great running car. Listen to that. Comes down off the high idle. And just look at how nicely everything fits. How that door lines up. Even with the top up, you can see how the windows fit. And check those out in the still pictures again. But yeah, just look at that. Look at the bright work. Look how straight that car is up and down it. Come around to the back. Great sound. Nothing over the top. Nice rumble coming out of that 350. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and show you what it's all about underneath there. All right, we got cast valve covers, an air cleaner cover, like an Edelbrock carb, lighting on that Edelbrock intake. And take a look at that, how it's powder coated. And again, they did it to match that water pump. Look how smooth that runs. Custom fan shroud. Power steering, power brakes, and everything has been touched on this car as far as the suspension. All those components have been done for liability and safety. Don't be afraid to take this car down the road at all. Take a look at the underside of the picture. You'll see them saying the underside of this car is as nice as the rest of it. Beautiful chrome bright work paint. What a setup. So there you go, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible, crate 350, overdrive transmission, power disc brakes up front. Absolutely stunning, beautiful car. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website where you can view the pictures. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.